Mary is going to get the party started. I have to say, she just blew my mind. While these girls and Leanne was crying and watching the tape of her loving friends, and they were all drinking out of the bottle, may I add. I was introduced to something I didn't even know exists, pink gin.
Pink gin. I basically found every pink alcoholic beverage and threw it in a bowl, and that's what we're gonna drink today.
Okay.
We have pink gin, we have pink lemonade. We're gonna throw that in.
Throw that in.
We have champagne, and we have a
open that
bottle
right, Dad?
of rosé.
Yeah.
Okay? So, yes, please. All right? And then we'll put this. Look how pretty that is. Let's go for a swim. Now, since it is a wedding and it must be beautiful, we are going to we've made your beautiful edible flower ice cubes that will go into here. You get these edible flowers. You can find them in any deli, grocery store, or online.
Should I just put the punch bowl in the middle of the thing?
Well, I will happily serve. Let's throw these in.
I mean, they'll probably just pick it up and go, pass it around.
Exactly. We should just put straws. Like a scorpion
Leah's
bowl.
like, yeah, give me the bowl first.
Oh, some fresh mint.
Yes.
And it's very
Oh, yeah,
pretty.
look, there's something green in it. It's good for you, Leah.